Good morning, student. Hope so you are doing well at your home. First of all, I want to clear you one thing. Yes, 75% online attendance is compulsory and it is instructed by the CBSE. Student, now we'll continue the chapter number 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. Now our topic is longitude. I am giving you a very quick brief review of the last previous module. We have studied about the latitudes. These all horizontal lines are called latitudes, and equator divides the earth into two equal half parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Come back to here. What are longitudes? Line of reference running from the north pole to the south pole are called the meridians of longitudes, and the distance between them are measured in degree of longitudes. Yes, students, you can see this globe. You can see these vertical lines. Okay, these all vertical lines are called the longitudes, and the distance between in this vertical line measured in degrees. इन जो वर्टिकल लाइंस के बीच की जो स्टूडेंट्स डिस्टेंस है वो हम डिग्रीज में मेजर करते हैं. यस, इट इज विजिबल टू यू ऑल, आई थिंक सो. या ओके. Each degree is further divided into minutes and into second. Yes, these two words definitely you have heard about it. We use these words in timings. Yeah, student, basically we are studying about the longitude and latitudes. Why so? Because we in both these imaginary line help us to find out our location and time, and longitudes basically used for measuring the time also. So each degree is further divided into minutes and seconds. ये जो बीच के डिस्टेंस हैं इन लॉन्गिट्यूड्स के स्टूडेंट्स, ये डिग्रीज में डिस्टेंस इनका जो है डिग्रीज में मेजर्ड होता है, और ये डिग्री जो है वो मिनट्स और मिनट्स बाकी जाके सेकंड्स में हम डिवाइड कर देते हैं. ओके. दे आर सेमी सर्कल्स एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम डिक्रीज स्टेडली पोल्स वर्ड्स until it becomes zero at the poles where all the meridians meet. Look at here in this diagram, students. These all vertical lines are called longitudes. और देखो आप, जैसे जैसे ये पोल्स के टूवर्ड्स जा रहे हैं, it may be go for the north pole or the south pole, it becomes, इनके जो बीच का डिस्टेंस है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है, and they make a 0 degree here. Okay, where these all meridians meet. Unlike parallels of latitudes, all meridians are equal of length. Okay? जैसे हमारे latitudes parallels होते हैं, वैसे ही हमारे meridians of longitudes की जो length होती है वो equal होती है. स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई longitude बड़ा है और कोई longitude छोटा है. longitudes के बीच की जो distance है उनमें changes हैं. Same distance होगा और same ही उनकी length होती है. Prime meridian, what is called it? Its value is 0 longitude, and from it we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westward. Students, this 0 degree तो we have heard in this chapter before it. Yes, equator is also measured in 0 degree. Yes, same. The 0 degree longitude, this is a prime meridian. You can see it here. This is a prime meridian. Yeah, this one. From this prime meridian is a 0 degree, and from this prime meridian westward it is 180 degree, and eastward it is also a 180 degree. So the prime meridian and 180 meridian divide the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Same as the equator, student. As the equator divide the earth into two equal half, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, same this 0 degree prime meridian divide the earth into two equal half, that is a western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Okay, same as equator divide the earth in two parts. Same the things, prime meridian divide the earth into two equal parts, that is called a western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Hope so, student, your doubt would be clear and you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.